asking you for weeks. The sink is leaking, the toilet.
Babe, I'll fix it, just... Not now.
Not now, not tomorrow, when? When we are drowning?
That one will never change. Call a plumber.
I don't even know one. You?
I know the perfect guy. You will thank me later.
All right.
You called for a plumber.
Yes. Anthony. Come in. It's just in here. Wow. You're really good at this.
It's my job. But something's just in the right touch.
This night Senegal won. Congrats, but Africa lost today.
That was a haram 10. If I was from Senegal and I saw that penalty, I would react the same, you feel me?
It seems that it's happening only in AFCON. They should do something. They should be punished.
What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a leaking, or in this case, a running tap. It won't open or close. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so with this tap here,
You're hot. Why do I keep doing that? It's hot. It's hot outside, so have something to drink before you go out.
You have my number. Call me.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Why are you blushing?